In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide phone number on Telegram. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide phone number on Telegram, go to Telegram, click on menu icon on upper left corner. Now click on settings. And then click on privacy and security. Here you will find phone number, and by default everyone is selected. Now click on phone number, and you will find here nobody. Who can see my phone number? And select nobody, and then you will find another option, who can find me by my number, and select my contact. Now click on tick mark on upper right corner, and now phone number is hidden on my Telegram account. This is the easiest way to hide mobile number or phone number in Telegram.